What's going on, guys? So I know it's been a while. I haven't updated y'all. It's really, what is this car doing? It really hasn't been anything to update y'all on with this channel and my car, because it's just been literally just sitting on jack stand. So I'm headed there right now because my oil catch can just came in for it. So I'm about to just go over there and chill with the boys real quick. I'm riding with my boy Jay. I put his information in there and whatnot, so y'all can follow him, check him out. This 335 IS, this junk is clean. I cannot lie to y'all how clean it is. But yeah, we heading there, so I'm gonna update y'all. It's just gonna be a little quick video. The company that from the turbos that I got it from is sending more turbos. So I was supposed to get them this week, but I don't know what happened. But so yeah, I'm just waiting on that. He said he's gonna be shipping them out tomorrow. So yeah, that's where we at right now. And I'm gonna talk to y'all when we get about my car, so y'all can see it and whatnot. But yeah, I'm gonna catch y'all on the flip. Appreciate y'all tuning in. Let's get it. Oh my goodness. Alright, we just made it here, my boy Erico. Like I said, I just want to give y'all a little something, because I know I haven't been posting like that, man. Listen, all these Beamer vibes. Look how clean his car is. Look how clean his car is, man. Apexes, he got them powder coated black. Nasty, bro. The M3 stock. It's IS for you. Clean guy. 135. And this one got the same turbos I have, but just stage 2+. And there go my baby right there. So yeah, she just been like this, bro, for like a whole month. Just been chilling, just waiting on me to rip it. But I'm gonna try to put this catch can on today, so hopefully y'all enjoy that. But yeah, man, I just been waiting on that. Car just been sitting, resting, rotors resting. That's how long it's been sitting, bro.
Oh, okay.
But yeah, you see something. And I got a tow hook. Where is it at? Oh, it's on that side. It's on the driver's side. Got a tow hook. It ain't too hot out here. Like I said, this one got the... Oh, his lights is mad nice. I didn't know he had that. Yep. He got the big spinny boys in there. OEM location endless on there. But yeah, I got this on there. I'm gonna just put it on there. This goes on here.
I already maxed it out. I already raised it
The
up.
boy, he on the phone. I'm gonna talk to him again.
Dude, I think you got... Did you get like the extreme low?
That look good.
I think they are, bro.
But I'm gonna hit y'all once I start everything.
Because
turbos are gone. They're not in there. They're gone. So we're just waiting on that company to send me some turbos so I can get the boost.
But yeah, he gonna get me right. You already know who that is right there. Yeah, sure. My boy Jay in the cut. But yeah, I'm actually really sad. Oh, I ain't show y'all the catch can. It's something simple. I ain't buy nothing crazy. That's a catch can for you. Put it in the light. And just unscrew it right there or tighten it up. And it's gonna be hanging. You see? It just hang probably right there. I need it bad because it's just sitting. Like I got that back there. I don't know if you can see. You probably can't see it. Let me try to zoom in. That right there
Yeah, that is where the catch can is supposed to be hooked up to. So now it's just sitting there. Don't have nothing to go to. But that's all I really wanted to show y'all today, man. I just wanted to update y'all something because I haven't been posting or anything like that. So that's where we at. He's supposed to be sending turbos tomorrow, like I said. But I got some big stuff planned for the channel. Intros, like real professional stuff incoming on this channel. So if y'all new, subscribe. But I'm gonna catch y'all in the next one. See ya.